Good day, channel. What's up, channel? Quick dive into gold. Quick dive into gold. How we could have caught a scalp here on a 1 minute or 2 minute chart, and then a buy right here on the 5 minute chart, right? With stop losses in this zone. As you see, this zone was rejected, right? Stop losses could have been here, right? And just watch me, and I'm gonna show you what to do. This is me sharing my edge. You know what I mean? It's just me sharing my edge, right? So I'm going to share my edge with you guys. Is what I would typically do. If I wanted to short, let's go with the short first example. Say you're a prop firm trader and you wanted this short here, right? Say you wanted this short. Here's how you could have played it if you're trading with Top Step, right? I got Bollinger Bands on here with the 20 MA in the middle, right? So if you're a Top Step trader, you're either entering here at 828 on this candle there, right? That first red candle, you want to enter there. You can't enter at 829 or 830, right? You can't do that. So you got to be in at 828. That's a valid time to be in. And you got to hold your position, right? You hold your position, you got to win and play. Right there. You caught the sell. Say you didn't catch it at 828. You got your play here at 834. You either caught it at this level. You either caught it at this level here. Where's the crosshair tool? Crosshair tool, where are you? Yeah, there you go. You either caught it here at this level here, or you caught it here, and boom, you got your little short scalp there, right? You got all that there. You're there watching it. So this is your play for the day. Boom. If you caught the buy, you caught the buy. You can catch the buy too as well, right? There's your setup for the buy there. If you wanted it, but if you wanted a more cleaner look at it, you go down to the 5 minute, right? And here on the 5 minute, you see, right? It's now, at that time, this was, what, 8:45, right? We got the rejection of this price level here. The golden zone of this price level was, we keep it simple, we're just going to call it that, the golden zone of this price level, right? Because this is known as in our retail world, the golden zone. You see it was rejected big time. Never came back to it, right? So you could have, for your long idea, after your short idea, you could have got in here at this level. Stop losses in here somewhere. You could have got in here. Here would have been the most ideal entry for this play. But because the price action was so short on the 8:30 event, because the price action was short, you want to take a short buy. Here it is. Boom. Getting here, here, at these levels here. TP here, first play, right? Stop loss, not hit at all, right? We get a pullback into our strike levels, right? Nice open coming up, the New York Open coming up there. All right. I'm trying to tap it on the screen. Silly me, I'm trying to tap it on this phone. Yeah, mobile phone traders, what's up? All my mobile retail traders around the world. Giving you a little bit of this and a little bit of that, on this channel. But check it out. Yeah, so you entered here at this level, right? Entered here after the pullback, right? The pullback will make all the difference in your trading if you master the pullback, right? That's what I was taught, right? So your stop loss again is like here in these levels. You get it either you could set a TP here, or you could just have your idea on without a TP, but your stop loss could have been here, right? As it gets here, if you don't have a TP on, you just pull your stop loss back into like break even. You pull it to break even or a little above break even, right? Which would have been here. Your entry would have been here, right? Say by the time you get up here, you could have put your stop here and price will come back. And if it takes you out, it takes you out. and the market gets back nothing, right? You got your winning play on the day. And that's how I would have played that. That's what how I would have looked to play that. This is my edge I'm sharing with you. Happy trading and trade well, folks. Ciao.